Kafika. Yeah. Guys, it's that easy
at this point.
It's not that easy, ne? It's just a thing of like, I genuinely liked him from the first conversation we had. Like, I genuinely liked him from the first conversation we had. And, man, nakamurata man.
Love is sweet.
And even if you can say, "Kinna third wife here, what that? It's wrong.
My tell us, when did he tell you about his wives?
I saw his ring. His ring when we were talking. But I kept quiet. I didn't ask him about it. But he kept mentioning his wives. So I'm like, oh, okay. I love that. And in fact, my mind was not there when we were talking.
Yeah.
So he was just saying, what's your da-da-da, my wives. I was with my what wife, go whatever. It was just a whole.
His girlfriend. Oops.
Eh? Yo? Yan dawabuwa.
Wait, you hear it?
So,
and I was like, oh, is this your friend or who's this? The light-skinned girl that he was with. And then he was like, oh no, this is my girlfriend. And then I was like, oh, so you have two wives? Yes. In and out.
Hi guys, so thina ke mina nawe kade sicabanga ukuthi lento yaSima nalo bhuti lona is just a promo for a music video. Hayi uSima usevele waconfirma ku Spreading Humors ukuthi no, she actually likes the guy and she doesn't mind ukuthi unabafazi abayi-2. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, mina I'm not gonna lie, even namanje I still don't believe ukuthi lento le yangempela. I still think ukuthi nje it's just for content. Angazi ukuthi na guys ngicabangani. But ke ake sibona ama comments size ukuthi abantu bebethini mayelana nale ndaba. Uthi ke lona, after breakup you just start dating anything until you come back to your senses. Bafethu ngifuna ukuthini manje? Ngifuna ukuthi ulo umfana lo. Yes guys, I'm sorry, I don't know his name. Like because abengamazi nje ngiqala ukumazi nokumbona nje after ese trend manje noSima. Okay, ngizombiza ngoguy ngambizi ngalomfana because yeah. Nifuna ukuthi nalo guy lo uSima abhizi naye lo nabafazi abayi-2 nifuna ukuthi uyi anything yini. Bafethu yabo this comment wena uyadelela wena. Athi lona she's given up because no ways. Mina guys, I honestly I think ukuthi lento it's not real and one day they will tell us. Because there is no way ukuthi ungathi umncane kangaka and then you decide ukuthi wena uzongena esithenjini. Like amadoda mangaka la ngaphandle, why would you choose someone onabafazi abayi-2 already? Like this is unbelievable. But ke ngesazi. Athi lona self-love is so important. So when ufuna ukuthi lento ayenzayo ikhombisa ukuthi uSima akayithandi. Guys, what if she really likes the guy and she really doesn't mind okay ukuthi unabafazi abayi-2, but still nje this is so hard to believe ukuthi it's true. Yeah. And laba bantu laba abangena esithenjini, it doesn't mean ukuthi they don't love or respect themselves. Sima, you are too young to be thinking like this. Yeah, she is. She's too young. If kuguthi ngempela this is real, it's not just for content, then yeah, nami I totally agree with this comment. Like she's too young ukuthi inga decide ukuthi she doesn't mind ungena kwisithembu. Wait, he really has 2 wives besides Sima? I thought it was a joke. Ngiyakutshela ke mina nawe siyafana. Ngiqala ukuyizwa le ndaba nokuyibona ngize ngathi hayi no, there is no way, because when I looked at the guy, he looks so young. I think he's 20 something, I'm not sure. I was like, there's no way ukuthi lo mfana nabafana lo bhuti nabafazi abayi-2. Until ngize ngiye kwi-page lakhe ngibabone nabafazi, hayi wena, it's true. Unabafazi abayi-2 ngempela, uguy unesithembu. Ukuthi lo bhuti usifunana isithembu emncane kangaka, mina I really wonder. But ke abantu benza into abayithandayo guys ngempilo zabo. She needs to heal. Usheshe waqoma. Yeah. Khona buya sengathi like she's desperate to be in a relationship. That's just my opinion. I might be wrong, but yeah, if kuwukuthi this is real. Atilona, it's giving paid promotion. Yeah, I agree. Andile is a good guy, trust me. I know him and he didn't cheat on his wives. If she told Sima about his wives before they started dating and one of his wife reposted Andile and Sima's video, stop the negativity. Hi. Hayi mina nje ngibona sengathi nje yonke lento iplaniwe abafazi bavuma wamtshela uAndile Andile igama lakhe uAndile abatshela abafazi bakho ukuthi lalelani la, this is just for promo, mina noSima nothing is gonna happen, we're just gonna do this and that. Bathi abafazi okay baba asinankinga thina wena qhubeka umsebenzi. That's just my opinion, but asazi mina nje until ngithola iproof ukuthi ngempela they are dating, then ngiyothi okay. Okwamanje nje iproof ingabe bikho nje ngisacabanga ukuthi this is a paid promotion. This is just yeah. Atilona, I'm not judging Sima, shame. Andile seems like he knows how to husband or how to boyfriend. Both of his wives seem happy and well taken care of. Okay. Atilona at her age. I love this for her. Atilona, then you don't like her. Guys, ngicela ungitshela ukuthi yini enhle ngokuthi umuntu athi udecide ukuthi uyoba umfazi wesithathu. Like what is so what am I gonna say? What like yini wow ngalokho. Come on. Atilona, my friends are this supportive. If she's happy, I'm happy. Okay. Then she's always attacking Bruce's girlfriend, Unakwida. Awunkosami waxolisa nje, waxolisa nkosi yami. It won't last. After the honeymoon phase is chai. Hayi wena kahle bo kahle wena. Oh. I don't think Sima would date that guy. Maybe they are doing it for numbers. I agree. I don't know anything about the guy, but I don't think it's real. Apparently, Lena Ati, that guy is a multi-millionaire buddy. It's possible. Multi-millionaire? Is he? Hey, Angaz, I'm not going to comment on that because I do not know him like that. And when I went on his page doesn't give me multi-millionaire what. But I guess we'll never know. Maybe he is a multi-millionaire because I saw he has like a car. I was like, wow, this guy is married. He's probably married. Atilona, one day you will come back to my comment. This is a prank. Hi, mina nawe siyafana, cause nami ngicabanga ukuthi this is just for content. It's a prank. She really thinks that he is going to marry her. Lol. I nami, to be honest, angiwuboni nje umshado wenzeka lana. Mangase kuthiwa phela sekwenzeka nomshado ngasho ukuthi hayi cha ba serious nge-content, but I don't think it's gonna happen because I don't think this is real. I don't think khona umshado uzokwenzeka because I don't think this is a real relationship. This is not a real relationship according to my opinion. She's trying to convince herself. Yeah. Yekana uSima abe happy. It's her choice. After all, nina ningena kuphi. And uqinisile shame asingeni ndawo. It's her choice. If efuna ukuthi angene esithenjini, that's her choice. That's her life. If she's happy, yeah. But ngeke singawasha ama-opinions wethu ukuthi thina sicabanga ukuthi it's not real. It's just for content. And if it's real, baby girl, ngicabanga ukuthi you're still too young ukuthi ungacabanga indaba zesithembu manje. Yeah. Athi lona Andile is a nice guy, guys. If you talk to him, you'll think you're the only one in his life. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, that's it from me. Okwamanje. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Like, share your thoughts under the comment section.